Hello and welcome to our video. Today we will talk about LMPC certificate. My name is Deepika and I will be guiding you through the process. So, are you an importer worried about penalties for not having an LMPC certificate? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the simple way to register for LMPC and stay compliant. Let's get started. LMPC or Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Registration is mandatory in India for businesses that import or produce goods sold in pre-packed form. If business wants to sell such items, it must get LMPC registration. So the details like weight, price and manufacturer information on packages are truthful and meet government rules. Whether you are a small importer and large manufacturer or a brand owner, you need to know about LMPC to avoid legal trouble and keep your supply chain smooth. Let's understand the history of the LMPC certificate. India passed the Legal Metrology Act in 2009, making LMPC certificates mandatory for anyone importing pre-packed goods. Over the years, the rules have become stricter to protect consumers and ensure fair trade. This is all part of India's effort to maintain high quality standards and align with international compliance practices. So, why LMPC certificate registration is necessary? Let's understand. It's required under the legal metrology rules. Without it, customs can hold or seize your goods at the port. It builds trust with customers and business partners. It avoids penalties and delays in clearance. It keeps your business operations smooth and compliant. Now, let's have a look at the documents needed to register for LMPC. To make sure your LMPC registration is simple, keep these documents ready. Incorporation certificate or establishment certificate of shop, GST certificate, import-export code certificate, company PAN card, details of authorized signatory like Aadhaar card and PAN card, authorization letter for the signatory, list of products you are importing along with their SSN code, copies of sample labels or packaging with required declaration like MRP, net quantity, etc. Any previous LMPC certificates if applicable. Let's understand how Falcon helps with LMPC registration. When LMPC registration seems difficult, Falcon step in to make it easy. Here's what we provide. We explain the LMPC requirements in clear, simple language. We help you gather and check all needed documents. We prepare and submit the LMPC registration on your behalf to the Legal Metrology Department. We work with customs and department to get your approvals quickly. We guide you on ongoing compliance and packaging declaration rules so you avoid problems later. We can handle the entire LMPC registration for you and support you at every step. Falcon offers a complete LMPC registration service so you can stay focused on running your business. Now, I will explain the LMPC registration process in clear. Welcome to this step-by-step LMPC registration tutorial video by Falcon. We begin by accessing the official LMPC registration website. Open your web browser and visit the portal as shown on screen. You will see options for new registration, login, and important LMPC system information. Click on register or apply for registration on the home page. This opens the online registration form for manufacturers, importers, or packers. Falcon guides you in selecting the right category for your business. Now, enter your basic details, applicant name, business name, ensure all spellings are accurate and mandatory fields marked with an asterisk are completed. Falcon ensures your information is verification ready for quick approval. In the addresses of warehouses section, type the address where your imported goods are stored. Enter the PIN code of the warehouse. Click Add more warehouse address if you have more than one. Choose your zone from the drop-down list. Scroll down to the section details of the packed commodity being imported for each item. Enter name of item, enter HSN code, select origin of country from the drop-down menu. Use the add item option to list multiple products. In the next section, fill in the names and addresses of the proprietor, partners or directors as applicable. Enter the name of the person, enter the father's or husband's name, enter the residential address, select the designation from the drop-down, whether it is proprietor, partner or director. Click Add More, Partner or Director to include more. Continue filling the following field based on your operations. Number 1. Date of commencement of pre-packing import. Enter the start date. Number 2. Registered office address. Select yes if you are registering your official business address. Number 3. MRP printed on package. Select yes if your product displays a maximum retail price inclusive of GST. Number 4. Date of manufacture. Number 5. Date of expiry for food item. Select an A if not applicable. Number 6. Net contents like weight, volume. Number 7. Generic name of commodity. Select yes. Number 8. Packaging quantities and the standard quantity used. For example, 500 ml or 1 kg. If not applicable, enter 0. Number 9. Standard quantities as per Rule 5. Select yes if compliant. Number 10. Combination, group package or multi-piece package. Please specify, for example, trolley bag or zipper bottle. Number 11. Retail or wholesale package. Choose based on your distribution model. Here it's wholesale package. Number 12. Perishable or food item. Select non-perishable unless dealing with food. Number 13. Exporting outside India. If yes, specify the country. For example, Sri Lanka. Otherwise, select no. Number 14. Packed for specific industry as raw material. If yes, please specify. Number 15. Fast food or scheduled formulation. Typically no or 0 for general goods. Number 16. Whether the package contains any scheduled or non-scheduled formulation covered under the drugs. For example, price control. Order or any agriculture farm produces of 50 kg and above. Number 17. Whether the shop, factory, warehouse is located in the area declared as residential or non-conforming. Select yes. Number 18. Whether the shop, factory is located in commercial area. If yes, select and attach proof. Number 19. Whether the shop, factory premises is owned or rented. Select rented if you are leasing your space. Number 20. Have your premises been last inspected by the inspector of W&M department? Choose yes if an inspector has visited, which is selected here. If not, select no. This helps authorities track compliance history. Then number 21. Date of which your premises was last inspected by the inspector of W&M department. Enter the exact date here. It's make sure it matches your inspection report or certificate. Number 22. Whether your firm has been challaned during the last 3 years for any violences of weight and measure laws. If yes, like here, select yes. If not, choose no. If you answered yes, you will need to fill in date of challan, enter the date in month, date, year format. Number 24. Notice details.
This is optional, but if you received any official notice from the department, verifyly describe it here. Number 25, offenses or for which challan and whether it is compounded or not. Use the drop down to select the specified offense. If you select yes, then click the choose file and select your scanned PDF or image file. Make sure it's clear and legible. Number 26, mobile number. Enter your active phone number. Here it's shown in Hindi script, but you can type it in English numerals. Double check for accuracy. This is how they will reach you. Number 26, email ID. Type your official email address. Take a moment to review all entries. Now scroll to documents to be produced at the time of inspection. All documents must be self-stated in PDF format and under 2 MB each. Number 1. Proof of legal title of premises, sale deed, lease agreement plus NOC or trade factory license from MCD, NDMC and DDA. If no municipal license, submit an affidavit stating the premises isn't it in a non-conforming area. Number second, residential address proof of proprietors, directors, Aadhaar, voter ID, passport or driving license. Number three, GST certificate, clear, legible and self-stated copy. Number four, packaging label, stickers, slip used on packages. Upload your accurate actual product labels showing MRP, net quantity, etc., especially in PDF. Number 5, Memorandum of Association or Partnership Deed. For companies or partnerships, MSMEs may upload Udyam certificate. Number 4, IC certificate issued by DGFT mandatory for importers. Number 7, passport size photographs of all directors partners combined into the one GPG file only. Now, click continue for payment. Since this is a demo, we will not process any actual payment here in the live version. This button would redirect to a secure payment page where you can complete the registration fee. After payment, your application moves to the verification stage. You can log in anytime to check your application status under the My Applications or Track Status section on the portal.
And that's it. Our team can handle entire LMPC registration process for you. LMPC registration isn't just a paperwork, it's your key to smooth imports and customers trust. Register on time to avoid penalties, clear shipment faster and build a strong reputation. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with other importers who might need LMPC registration. Thank you.